Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a complex weld using your BotX XSR. Here on the pendant, on our BotX home screen, we're going to add a new weld segment, and we'll click on Weld. So the first thing we will do is create our approach about 4 to 6 inches away from the weld start using the blue button. Press and hold to create our weld start. And then press and hold to move into our weld path. From here, I am going to use the blue button to create a linear point at the end of my straight weld. And then moving into the top of the circle, I am going to use the red button, the top red button. And then I will move into where the circle ends and use the top red button again to create a linear and a circular, and then to the end of the weld where I will create a linear point using the bottom blue button, and then move into my exit. Now, this is a very simple part that combines linear and circular welds. You can combine as many linear and circular points as you need to complete your weld piece. And that is how you create a complex weld using your BotX XSR.